Yo, check out this new thing of a minivan. Yeah. Oh, no, I hate minivans. Bro, it was just a minivan, really? It's just so ugly. It's just a family car. A disgusting family car. I mean, come on, man. Just look at it. It's disgusting. All the minivans in the world are disgusting. Why can't we go on an expedition, or an excursion, or a truck? Blah! What's what I have to say to minivans? Is blah. Minivans suck. Mustangs, Corvettes, and all the other sports cars and muscle cars out there, including Ferraris, Lamborghinis, Bugattis. What else was it? Dodge Challengers, Dodge Chargers, everything that is good, that is a sports car or supercar, are better than minivans. Minivans suck, and I think they should be destroyed for good. That's what I have to say to minivans. Peace.